ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It is based on the GPT architecture, specifically GPT 3.5, which was the most recent version as of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021. GPT models are trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet and can generate human-like responses when given prompts or questions. ChatGPT is designed for conversational tasks, allowing users to interact with the model through text-based conversations. The model learns patterns and structures from the training data to generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. It can understand and generate text in a wide range of topics, but its responses are not based on real-time information since its training data only goes up until 2021. ChatGPT has been used in various applications such as customer support, content creation, language translation, and providing general information and assistance. It aims to provide a more natural and interactive conversational experience with users.